This goes out to people in a relationship. If it comes to your anniversary and you have no idea what to do, don't buy flowers and shit. Don't have a romantic night in, especially if you live in Dubai or the UAE. What you gotta do, go camping.
You'll never get out alive. You're in the thick of it now. You've been running all your life, and you're starting to drown. You're exhaling havoc on your text message stream. You're staring up into the sky. You're trying to dream.
Day 2 of camping. It's about 6 AM and we've got this amazing sunrise.
Oh! What have you got to lose when you're screaming out? You're a satellite man, staring soft to shout. You're a satellite man. You're a satellite man. You're a satellite man. You're a satellite man. You're a satellite man.